Okay, I'm redoing part 3. A friend of mine pointed out that it wasn't doing what it should do. Zeta. Anyway, Zeta, and others that are watching, some dark spots came out on this floor, as you can see. I don't know why that happened. I've never had that happen before when working with paper bags. My husband was the one that did the polyurethane on it, and we're not sure why this happened, but this is easily fixed too. I'm just going to leave it the way it is because I really don't care. But my husband put the 2 layers of the polyurethane on it, puts a shine on it. You can see where the dark spots are, and it looks pretty good. But you can always cover those spots up with more paper and redo it, or you can put posters down or flowers or whatever you want to do with the floor. I still may do something more with this floor, I'm not sure. But anyways, this is what the finish looks like. Here's some of my bears in here. And that's how you do it. It's easy to do. It's just parts of water with, sorry, I'm kind of stuttering tonight, glue, and just keep tearing up, wrinkling up, and putting it down. And then you polyurethane it. It's pretty easy and cheap decorating. Well, have a blessed day. Hey, bye, Zeta.